Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the ultra-wide mode on Snapchat. First, open either the Play Store or the App Store, depending on your device, and search for Snapchat. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. If there's an update available, be sure to update to the latest version. Once you've updated, open the Snapchat app on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right to access the settings. Scroll down and find the Support section. Tap on I need help, then tap on the search bar and type Ultra Wide. Select the first option that says, How do I use the ultra-wide camera? Read through the instructions carefully, then go back to the main screen. You should now see the normal camera mode. Tap on the plus icon, then tap the new icon that appears. You'll see that the ultra-wide mode is now enabled. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.